John, I'm sorry to see this guy back in here. This time for something different. Man, these boogies got no respect. No respect. You guys check this band out when you can. So, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. Channel 3, your whatever tubes are assigned for the lead mode are crackling. So that's not a big deal. But what is a big deal, let's bring this volume down, is that the solo is not working at all. And neither is the output. This should be deafening. Look at that. And the output is not assigned through the rear control panel. Lead channel there. It's not. There's a solo. Punched a solo there on the foot switch. Let's get into this. Hey John, check this out. Signal generator going. And if I plug into the return, fully seated, nothing. But plugged into the return, I have control over the buzz level with the output. So it's a little confusing, to say the least. Now, if I pull out about a quarter or a half of the way, I can hear the test tone. Is it this guy? These little JFETs, man. That's a mute. Is it you? Little bastard. Or is the issue V6? Let's see, actually this guy here is V6. And this dude is responsible for the 4th gain stage on channel 3 and also the effects return. So we do have a noisy lead channel. And we definitely have a little bit of strangeness going on with the effects. So I've already tried changing that tube. Not it. I'm really hoping it's not one of these guys. Getting this board out is going to be a nightmare. Is it you, little JFET, little muting dude? Maybe you're just partially muting. Because we're getting low signal through just no responsiveness from that output knob.